All right, language explorer. So let's look at today's word of the day. Froze. 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 Yeah, to stop. Stop what you're doing. Doing. I suddenly froze. Froze with fear. Yeah. The car is frozen. Frozen because of the ice and cold weather. He froze where he stood. She just froze with amazement. Froze, yeah. I froze with glee. Like, wow. Yeah. They always freeze with terror. Yeah. It has been frozen in place for years. It's been frozen in place for years. Yeah, for a long time. So she suddenly froze when she saw me. Yeah, I froze when I saw her. I froze when I saw her too. I'm working and it just froze. Just stopped. I'm not sure why. It just froze. I'm not sure why. Yeah, it just stopped working and froze. Just like that. Just like that. Like that. Yeah. How cool is that? They will freeze with delight. They will freeze. They will freeze with terror. With terror. Yes. I froze them. I froze them with my announcement. I froze them with my announcement. I froze them with my announcement. Yeah, they couldn't believe it. They were froze. They froze in place when they heard the good news. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Froze in place. Yeah. Very good. So, can you use froze in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, support the channel, yeah, and subscribe. Yeah, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, and Telegram when you search for English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, there we are. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.